And the race is on. AJ Special on the outside. Classic Quality. Iris Julian Runaway Star. Kissable Toys. AJ Special Classic Quality. Iris Julian Kissable Toys. Runaway Star by Drell. And rounding the far turn, two runners fighting it out for the lead. AJ Special Classic Quality Iris Julian Runaway Star Racing Port Kissable Toys as they race the last 500. AJ Special Classic Quality Iris Julian Runaway Star and Kissable Toys as they race the last 250. AJ Special Iris Julian Runaway Star making ground down on the inside. AJ Special Iris Julian rushing up, moves up to take the lead. Iris Julian, AJ Special, and finally Iris Julian, AJ Special Classic Quality, Runaway Star, and Kissable Toys.
Akala ko nakadihado na ako doon, oh.